All right, team, this is for mini German pancakes. This makes 12 in this little square Pampered Chef pan. And so we're going to start with some large or jumbo eggs. It's going to be 5 eggs. I don't know about y'all, but we eat a lot of eggs in this house. Then it's going to be followed by some cream cheese, half a block of cream cheese, and then some butter. So 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we're going to salt to taste. Then we're going to add some monk fruit or sweetener of your choice. That is 1 teaspoon of sweetener, followed by half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, when you get your pan ready, you're going to put 1/4 of a teaspoon of butter in each one, or 1/4 of a tablespoon, whichever one it is. And then you're going to let that melt down, and then we're going to pour our egg mixture in there. All right, so now that our butter has melted, we'll shake it around, make sure that they're fully coated. That makes sure that even with this knot and stick pan, that we don't have a whole lot of mess to clean up. And then we're just going to pour the egg mixture in there. It goes into the oven. It's still hot from where we melted that butter. 12 to 14 minutes at 350. This is a perfect meal to prep for the week. Kids love them. You can use whatever type of maple syrup or sugar-free syrup or regular syrup, whatever you want, but they are easily thrown in the refrigerator, and then pop them in the air fryer for about 3 minutes at 300 in order to warm them back up, especially on a cold day like today. All right, so after about 2 minutes, they're going to deflate, and they come out so easily, they leave almost no mess. In fact, only the batter that I got up on the top leaves any real residue. So cleanup is almost non-existent. Takes 2 seconds. Obviously, you can do this with a little spatula. I will tell you, there are many types of baking apparatus, and my favorite is this Pampered Chef. Yeah, I can't believe I'm saying that. Pampered Chef product that is just these little square muffins, which works perfectly for this. Might work great for other things too, but for this, it's absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for one of these, like we just bought an extra one today from our wonderful friend, Miss Megan Frost, who's a Pampered Chef party person.